Ni mirurungano rithiete na mbere kuhanika icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini undu uria kaingi ukoretwo ukirugamia mihango ya biacara guku Iganda ikiremererwo ni kwendia indo itiganite iria ciathondeka undu uyu ukiambiriria kuhutia utonga wa bururi. Ngwataniro ya Iganda na athondeki indo ya KM riu ni yumiritie na kwiyaria kumana na hathara ino. Riu ruhonge rwa Iganda rukiuga ati ruroro ni makiria ya ciringi birioni 2.8 hari o muthenya wa mirurungano.
The country stands to lose up to 2.86 billion shillings daily if the protests continue to disrupt businesses as we have witnessed in the last 2 weeks.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ngwataniro eno Rajan Shah, ona mendekithia marurungani makunyihia garama ya muturire magutigwo mario mendekithia. Riu ene Iganda makionania uhotekeku wa maundu kurituha ona makiria mirurungano eno yathie na mbere.
This directly impacts the availability of essential products in the market, leading to potential shortages and price volatility. This will not help alleviate the pain of the high cost of living and will instead increase it further.
Wici wa indo ciene hindi ya mirurungano kagwetwo ta undu ukirie guthinekania ene biacara na Iganda nini makiria kaunti-ini cia Nairobi, Githumu na Mombasa. Uyu ari undu wa gucokia na thutha uigithia wa Kenya.
A lot of our industries and manufacturers are not insured for this kind of climate and environment that we see ourselves in, which makes the loss even bigger.
Some businesses and retail outlets have borne the brunt of angry protesters who vandalized their enterprises, as we have witnessed in the media.
Kuona riera ria kiuteti ni ritwaranaga na uguciriria wa igithia. Ngwataniro eno ni cakaite ati bururi wa Kenya ukirie kurwo ni aigithia aingi riu gukirikana aigithia marorera mabururi turigainie kuhanda iganda ciao kuo niguo gwithemana na gutungio hathara.
If the headlines is tires burning and people running up and down, any investor who's coming by will start thinking twice. So it is a competitive environment as well.
Kenya's reputation as an attractive investment hub is at risk following these demonstrations.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Naikuru anyite mirohonge-ini rwa ugendi ni macakaite kumana na gukundira kwa ugendi gitaro-ini giki undu rio naguo uracungiririo ni mururungano.
Riu mahoteli maria twinamo maingi na maria tukwaria nao mo rucini micemani iria irari iko wiki ino niracenjirio na mundu aragucenjia akwira next week tondu next week era mfango ngera kwira ke tucenjie mucemani uyu nginya hindi ya ukagira
andu aingi ni menda uka itura riri kuona maundu maria megugina maundu ma tourism attraction sites ni tukuhoya mirurungano eno irugame.
Kuringana na David Mwangi uria ni muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa ugendi kaunti-ini eno mikawa maingi gukwicungiririo gutara hathara kumana na agendi aingi makiria kuma nja ya bururi gutiria thabari ciao.
Kenya eno tourism ni ya keri kuma Girigaca warikia Girigaca mundu thia tourism na Naikuru peke yake eno twina makiria ma hoteli 1,600 acio thema igurite mirango muthi meterire ageni.
Naikuru nayo andu aingi a biacara Naikuru ni mathia muno Nairobi kugira mirigo yao na riu riria mirurungano ya tangathwo thikũ 2 thikũ 3 undu ucio ni ugatuhura muno na njira nene.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.